Can I tell you a secret? Close one of your ears to hear this one. Close one of your ears. You know why God called the gathering? You know? Because not too long from now we can gather. Already in Europe, they said no gathering over 1,000 people. Already. In Japan now at school, shut down. In Israel, they said nobody leave the country. Hey, we're not going to gather forever. God knows why he said gather the people. Hallelujah. Use up this gathering. God don't miss. That's why he said gather the people. Long before the things that are short become short, we told her to go and get them. Oh, come on, let's do it, church. Let's do it, church. We don't know how long we can get it for. Come on. They hate church. They can't stand for church to stand and shine. Glory to God. Now they're just looking right now to blame the church for this. I'm telling you. Oh, glory to God. The problem is the church. That's their problem. That's who they are intimidated by. Church people. In the technical digital system, they set up a digital church. See something? You don't want to say amen about that. I can understand. I can understand. Digital church. Come on, somebody. We're not going to be caught off guard. Come on, somebody. Glory to God. Shut up, church! God said, get at the people. Get at the people. Get at. That's what God said. Get at the people. Get at the people. Get at the people. Jesus. Church, you're going to be glad for these moments. You're going to be, let me tell you, it's not going to be better. It's not going to be better. It's going to be from one to the other. God will not stop until man bow their knees to him. Glory to God. Church, don't depend on a little man to give you the fullness. What's going on there is major. God's hand is out there. No man do what they want before God. Glory to God. Sometimes we have to take a little beating to help mankind to turn to God.